The grizzly bear stands as a majestic embodiment of wilderness power and resilience, its very existence a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity of life on Earth. As a keystone species, the grizzly plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of its native ecosystems, from the forests of North America to the tundras of Alaska. As we step into the realm of this incredible creature, let us venture into the heart of the wild, where the roar of the grizzly bear echoes through the landscape, beckoning us to uncover the secrets of its ancient, untamed world. Belonging to the family Ursidae, the grizzly bear is a subspecies of the brown bear with the scientific name Ursus arctos horribilis. This classification is a result of centuries of observation and study by naturalists and biologists who have sought to understand the intricacies of its physiology and behavior. One of the key mechanisms behind the grizzly bear's success as a species is its ability to adapt to a wide range of habitats. Its distinctive silver-tipped fur, for example, serves as camouflage in the dappled light of forest edges, while its powerful claws and agile limbs enable it to climb trees and dig burrows with ease. The evolutionary history of the grizzly bear is a fascinating tale that spans thousands of years. Fossil records indicate that the brown bear, from which the grizzly is derived, emerged in Europe during the Pleistocene era. Over time, as glaciers retreated and habitats shifted, the grizzly bear evolved into a distinct subspecies, well-suited to the harsh conditions of North America's western wilderness. Key researchers have played a significant role in advancing our understanding of the grizzly bear. Biologists like Dr. Charles Jonkel, who spent decades studying grizzly behavior in Montana's Glacier National Park, have provided invaluable insights into the species' social dynamics and habitat needs. Similarly, the work of conservationists like Doug Peacock has highlighted the importance of preserving grizzly habitats and minimizing human-bear conflicts. In terms of significant research findings, one notable example is the discovery of the grizzly bear's remarkable ability to slow down its metabolism during hibernation. This adaptation enables the bear to survive for months without food or water, relying on stored fat reserves to sustain it through the harsh winter months. Field observations have also revealed the intricate relationships between grizzlies and other species in their ecosystem, such as the symbiotic bond between grizzlies and nutcracker birds, which rely on the bears to crack open pine seeds. The ecological relationships of the grizzly bear are complex and multifaceted. As a keystone species, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its native ecosystems. For example, by preying on berry-fed salmon, grizzlies help to regulate the fish population and maintain the health of aquatic ecosystems. Similarly, their digging activities create habitat niches for other species, such as ground squirrels and marmots. Habitat fragmentation, climate change, and human-bear conflicts all pose major threats to the long-term survival of this iconic species. Efforts to protect grizzly habitats, such as the establishment of national parks and wildlife reserves, are crucial to ensuring the continued health and resilience of grizzly populations. One fascinating example is its ability to adjust its diet according to seasonal availability of food sources. During the summer months, grizzlies feast on lush berry patches, fish streams, and meadows filled with grasses and sedges. In contrast, during the winter, they rely on their stored fat reserves, accumulated from gorging on salmon and nuts during the fall. My expeditions in the field have taken me to the breathtaking landscapes of Alaska's Katmai National Park, where I've witnessed grizzlies expertly catching salmon in the Brooks River. The bear's technique is a marvel of evolutionary ingenuity. They wade into the river, often up to their shoulders, and wait for the salmon to swim by. With lightning-fast reflexes, they scoop up the fish with their paws, demonstrating an uncanny understanding of the water's currents and the salmon's migratory patterns. The work of researchers like Dr. Stephen Herrero has significantly advanced our understanding of grizzly bear behavior, particularly in regards to their interactions with humans. His studies have shown that bears are highly intelligent and capable of complex problem-solving, often adapting their behavior to avoid human-bear conflicts. For instance, in areas where grizzlies have become habituated to human food, they may begin to associate campsites and trails with potential food sources, leading to increased encounters between humans and bears. In terms of ecological relationships, the grizzly bear's impact on its ecosystem extends far beyond its role as a predator. As a nutrient vector, it helps to distribute nutrients across the landscape through its movements and feeding activities. For example, when grizzlies feed on salmon, they transport nutrients from the aquatic ecosystem to terrestrial environments where they deposit nutrient-rich waste. This process has a cascading effect on the entire ecosystem, influencing the growth of plants, the populations of other animals, and even the chemistry of the soil. The conservation status of grizzly bears is a complex and multifaceted issue, with various threats impacting different populations across North America. Habitat fragmentation, climate change, and human-bear conflicts are all significant concerns, as they can lead to population isolation, reduced food availability, and increased mortality rates. Efforts to protect grizzly habitats, such as the establishment of wildlife corridors and the restoration of degraded ecosystems, are crucial to ensuring the long-term survival of this iconic species. One ongoing mystery surrounding grizzly bears is their ability to detect and respond to seismic activity. There have been several documented instances of grizzlies altering their behavior in response to earthquakes, often becoming more active and alert in the days leading up to a seismic event. While the exact mechanisms behind this phenomenon are still not fully understood, researchers believe that grizzlies may be sensitive to changes in the Earth's magnetic field or to subtle vibrations in the ground, allowing them to anticipate and prepare for impending earthquakes. During the winter months, grizzlies will often dig complex dens in areas with suitable snow cover, using their powerful claws and strong shoulders to excavate a cozy space. These dens can be up to 8 feet long and 5 feet wide, providing a snug and insulated environment for the bear to ride out the harsh winter conditions. My expeditions in the field have taken me to the frozen tundras of Canada's Yukon Territory, where I've had the privilege of observing grizzlies preparing for hibernation. As they slow down their activity levels and begin to conserve energy, they will often gorge on high-calorie foods like nuts, berries, and fish to build up their fat reserves. This critical period of preparation is essential for their survival, as they can lose up to 40% of their body weight during the long winter months. Researchers like Dr. Charles Robbins have made significant contributions to our understanding of grizzly bear hibernation physiology. His studies have shown that during hibernation, a grizzly's heart rate can slow dramatically, from around 40 beats per minute to just 8 to 10 beats per minute. This remarkable adaptation allows the bear to conserve energy and survive on stored fat reserves even as their body temperature drops to just above freezing. The ecological relationships between grizzlies and other species in their ecosystem are also fascinating during this period. For example, the dens they dig can provide habitat niches for other animals, like wolverines, lynx, and even Arctic foxes. These smaller predators will often take advantage of the bear's digging efforts, using the abandoned dens as shelter from the harsh winter conditions. In terms of conservation, the protection of grizzly bear hibernation habitats is crucial. Human activities like mining, logging, and road construction can disrupt these sensitive ecosystems, causing bears to abandon their traditional denning sites and increasing the risk of human-bear conflicts. Efforts to preserve and restore natural habitats, such as old-growth forests and alpine meadows, are essential for ensuring the long-term survival of grizzly bear populations. One intriguing area of ongoing research is the impact of climate change on grizzly bear hibernation patterns. As temperatures rise and snow cover declines, bears may be forced to alter their traditional denning behaviors, potentially leading to changes in their physiology, behavior, and even population dynamics. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand these complex interactions and develop effective conservation strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change on grizzly bear populations. In the wild, I've observed grizzlies exhibiting remarkable adaptability in response to changing environmental conditions. For example, in areas where traditional food sources are scarce, they may begin to feed on alternative prey like elk or moose, demonstrating an impressive ability to adjust their diet and behavior in response to shifting ecosystem dynamics. This flexibility is a testament to the grizzly bear's remarkable resilience and highlights the importance of preserving and protecting their natural habitats. The intricate relationships between grizzlies and other species in their ecosystem are a constant source of fascination for scientists and naturalists alike. For instance, the presence of grizzlies can have a cascading effect on the entire ecosystem, influencing the populations of other predators like wolves and mountain lions, as well as prey species like deer and elk. By studying these complex interactions, researchers can gain a deeper understanding of the critical role grizzlies play in maintaining the balance and diversity of their ecosystems. In conclusion, the grizzly bear stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the natural world. Through its remarkable adaptability, fascinating hibernation habits, and critical role in maintaining ecosystem balance, this majestic creature teaches us about the profound interconnectedness of life. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.